Yeah, just a few. We've dried out a little bit. Still quite a few clouds around the area. But the rainfall, for the most part, has moved down to the south. You can see Hardy County, a few light showers, DeSoto as well. But that's really good thunderstorm drifting into southern parts of Highlands County. You have to watch that. That could have some pretty good hail. I don't think we could get a severe thunderstorm warning out of it, but I wouldn't be surprised if we did. That would be mainly some gusty winds with that. But heavy rainfall for sure. If you're headed down south, that's where we'll see most of that. This is Sarasota County right here, and you can see the southern set of it, Venice, Devamo. Those areas have a little thunderstorm in the region right now, but most areas are still on the dry side. So we'll watch these storms. I do expect them to eventually fall apart over the next 30 to, well, almost about an hour, to be honest with you. That thunderstorm, I'm really starting to watch that one. But bigger picture shows the frontal boundary down to the south. And look how far down it's come. There's Lake Okeechobee. It's south of there now. But the push of the drier air is still further up to the north. Looking outside over downtown Tampa right now, this looks a little bit better. I was looking at it earlier. I was like, man, it is smoky out there. And it was smoke. There's a controlled burn up into northeastern Hillsborough County. There's the Nonasassa Pebble Creek is right about here. There it is. That's smoke from earlier today. And then you notice by about 2:30, 3:30, it really calmed down. But some of that smoke did drift off towards the south and the west. If you were smelling something today in downtown, Seminole Heights, Brandon even, that's probably what that was. Air quality was low at times. It wasn't very good, but it has now improved because the smoke is on out there. So we've got upper 80s to near 90, most areas, mainly in the upper 80s. 84 in Brooksville, that's not bad. 86 in Newport Richey, 89 in Tampa, 91 in Sarasota. Dew points dropped, started around 2 or 3 in the morning. They started coming down, and 69 in Tampa, although most areas around are in the lower 70s. But here's the deal. We're going to drop that down just a little bit for tomorrow, about the same on Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday, it does look even drier than that. So that means the humidity will be lower for you as we head towards the end of the weekend as well. This is the amount of moisture. So by 7 p.m., you can see the heaviest moisture is way down to our south. That cuts the rain chances off. But you see this spin here? That's an area of low developing, and that's going to throw some moisture our way. And that's rain chances right there by Sunday. But most of it's over on the East Coast, so we don't have a big chance for it. We'll keep that dry air in place until about Wednesday evening. It's around 3 o'clock, and then you'll notice the moisture coming back, and we're right back to afternoon showers and storms. We're back to the humidity. It's September, guys. This is not something we normally see here in the middle of September. So rain chances, you can see only about 10% Saturday, Sunday. Took them out for Monday and Tuesday. But again, enjoy the break. It's not going to last more than a week. This is the rainfall forecast for this evening. You can see some of it does drift into Polk County. I think that's a little much, but I will be watching central and southern Polk County for a shower. Tomorrow morning we start dry. Tomorrow afternoon, just a few showers, only about 20 to 30%, and mainly east of I-75. There's your 7-day forecast. It stays warm in the afternoons, upper 80s to near 90, but the mornings will be cool. Lower 70s for Tampa, upper 60s, especially north and east of town.